counsel.
Joining us now is Adam Schiff, who is the top Democrat on the Intelligence Committee in the House of Representatives. Congressman, thank you for taking time for us tonight. Really appreciate you being here.
You bet.
So the New York Times has just reported tonight that Paul Manafort funneled information to the White House, to the president's legal team, during the time he was supposed to be cooperating with the special counsel's office after he entered into this plea agreement with them. What's your reaction to that news? Do you see this as a serious matter?
It's a very serious matter, and I think Barbara is exactly right. It represents an effort to essentially double deal by Paul Manafort, to pretend that he is cooperating with prosecutors, but at the same time betray the government, betray the prosecution by sharing information with the president's legal defense team. I wonder whether one of the lies that Paul Manafort told the Mueller team was that he wasn't wasn't sharing information with the president's legal team. But certainly, I would have to think that the Mueller prosecutors would feel that is a complete betrayal of a cooperation agreement. And it also appears to be how Giuliani and others have been obtaining information about what the special counsel is doing when the special counsel has made such an effort to keep a tight ship. I will say this, though, not only is it going to infuriate the special counsel's office, but it will also infuriate the judge. I mean, judges don't like having defendants that are lying to the government because they're also, through the government, through that lying to the government, they're lying to the court. They're trying to take advantage of the court. So I think that Mr. Manafort miscalculated once before when he attempted to suborn witnesses or tamper with witnesses, and I think he just committed another very serious blunder.
If this turns out to have been not Manafort's own idea entirely, if this turns out to have been an effort organized by the White House or the president's legal team to try to compromise the investigation, to try to get inside information from the investigation to advantage their own legal defense for the president, would you expect that to become a matter of investigation for your Intelligence Committee or for other committees in the House?
Absolutely. I mean, the first role, I think, for the Congress in all of this is to try to protect the independence of the Justice Department and the integrity of Bob Mueller's investigation. And that means learning, finding out, exposing whether there's any interference, any political interference by the president or his team in any way, shape, or form. And if so, exposing it. And then there's a whole series of potential consequences. It would add to a growing body of evidence that the president is involved in trying to obstruct justice. That might mean the special counsel in his report makes those findings or recommends prosecution either during the presidency or when the president leaves office. It obviously would be something the House would have to consider in terms of whether it rose to the level of a high crime or misdemeanor. But it also may mean that this is merely information that is going to be provided to voters so that in 2020 they can decide whether they want a president who is willing to obstruct justice. But there are a lot of potential consequences that can flow from it, and I think our ultimate obligation is to expose any interference in this investigation.
You're also a former prosecutor yourself, sir. NBC News tonight obtained draft charges and a draft plea agreement that were apparently sent by the special counsel's office to Jerome Corsi. Mr. Corsi has chosen to share those documents with reporters. He's also said that he has rejected this proposed plea agreement. And I don't necessarily believe everything that Mr. Corsi says, but it is unusual to see these documents. We can't directly verify them, but they appear to be work of the special counsel's office. Just wanted to get your reaction to that. I feel like it's very unusual to see what is in effect a draft indictment, to see draft court documents at any point in any legal proceeding.
Well, it is, but, what I imagine would have taken place here is the special counsel would have presented this packet to court as lawyers so that he could be sure, okay, this is what I'm prepared to plead guilty to. This is what the cooperation agreement will say. This is what I'm admitting. So it wouldn't be unusual to provide that in detail. It would be very unusual for them to make it public like this. And it does beg the question, why is all of this happening all of a sudden? Why is it all happening now that Manafort is attempting to double deal, that Corsi looks like he's attempting to double deal? Is any of this related to the appointment of Whitaker? Has that changed the calculus of these witnesses who were willing to cooperate? Do they now feel that they're going to get a pardon? And if they do, why do they feel they're going to get a pardon? We're obviously going to have to explore all of that. I will say one other thing. that leapt out to me about the statement of offense, and that is the discussion that Corsi and Roger Stone had after our committee interviewed Mr. Stone. There's a lot of material that I think needs to be shared with the special counsel, because as more and more of these facts come to the surface, it looks increasingly likely that witnesses committed perjury before our committee, and that's something the special counsel needs to consider as well.
Yeah, and in the plea agreement, one of the things they offer to not prosecute him for, if he pleads guilty to that charge of false statements, is anything related to perjury to a congressional committee. With Mr. Corsi saying he's rejecting that agreement, that means he's rejecting protection from prosecution for perjuring himself before your committee and others. Congressman,
yes.
Congressman Adam Schiff, top Democrat on the House Intelligence Committee. I really appreciate you being here tonight, sir. Thanks. It's busy news.